Hey there, welcome back to Auto Repair. If you were ever been stuck in a freezing car with no heat, you know just how frustrating it can be. But what if the problem isn't your heater settings? It might be something deeper, like a faulty heater core. In today's video, we are diving into how to spot the signs that your heater core is on the fritz. Stay tuned. Section 1. What's a heater core? So, what exactly does the heater core do? In simple terms, it's responsible for warming up your car's cabin. Here's how. When the engine gets hot, coolant flows into the heater core. The blower motor then pushes warm air from the core into your cabin. But if the heater core isn't working right, that warm air will never reach you. Section 2. Common heater core problems. Now, let's talk about what can go wrong. There are two main problems with heater cores: leaks and clogs. Both of these can cause your heating system to fail. Let's break it down. Section 3. 5 key symptoms to watch for. 1. No heat in the cabin. First up, no heat at all. You crank the dial to the hottest setting, but all you get is cold air or maybe just a little warmth. If that's happening, your heater core could be clogged or leaking, blocking the flow of hot coolant. 2. Coolant leaks. Next, check for coolant leaks. Since the heater core sits behind the dashboard, a leak could lead to coolant dripping onto your floor mats. Want to test it? Grab a white napkin and wipe up any suspicious fluid. If it smells sweet and looks like coolant, you've got a leak on your hands. 3. Sweet smell. Speaking of coolant, if you notice a sweet smell in your cabin, that's another red flag. It's the smell of leaking coolant, and inhaling it can be harmful. If you smell it, get it fixed fast. 4. Foggy windshield. Ever notice your windshield fogging up out of nowhere? And no matter how much you turn up the defroster, it just won't clear? That could be because of evaporated coolant leaking from your heater core. Try wiping it off with a cloth. If it smudges instead of clearing, it's time to check that heater core. 5. Low coolant. Finally, if your coolant level keeps dropping, you might be dealing with a heater core leak. 6. Overheating engine. And when the coolant level gets too low, your engine could overheat, a serious problem you definitely don't want. So, if you are noticing any of these symptoms, it might be time to check your heater core. It's a crucial part of your car's heating system, and addressing issues early can save you from bigger repairs down the road. I hope this video helped you out. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips on car repairs. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.